Welcome back to Ross Food Review. Today we got 2 limited edition cans of Pringles. We got the grilled beer brat and the beer can chicken. Let's see if they taste like an actual Miller Lite beer can, like they are on here. Okay, let's start off on the brat. Anyways. Tastes like a sweet, almost like a sweet can of beer. I don't really taste a whole lot of Brat in that. It's good. This is almost like, instead of, it should be just the grilled beer chip, if you ask me. Alright, good though. You know what? There you go. Or like, oh my gosh, that is like the exact same as this. Holy crap. That is very similar. Okay, next we got the beer can chicken. Okay. This tastes like a Pringles reduced fat chip with maybe a hint of chicken. If you've ever had those, they're okay. But I'd say for flavor, I like these more, but for like an actual beer tasting chip, go with these ones. All right, guys, thank you for joining us today for our quick
What's your rating?
Review. Oh, sorry. Rating. Say the Brat 7 out of 10 on that one, honestly. Chicken, say a 5, honestly. Like,
would you buy them again?
Would I buy them again? I think I would buy the Brat ones.
Is it worth the $2 we bought for a can?
Yes, 100%.
For both of them?
For that one, yes. For this one, it was good to try maybe once or twice.
What do you rate the beer?
10 out of 10. America, happy 4th of July, people.